I'm Emily, and I'm a PhD student in the Cognitive Science Department at UCSD. And today, I'm going to show you how to make 5-ingredient peanut butter and Nutella cookies. So here's what we're going to be working with today. Peanut butter, Nutella, or any other hazelnut spread of your choice, eggs, flour, and sugar. So first things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, in this large bowl, I'm going to combine 1 cup of sugar and 1 egg. I'm going to whisk these together. You want them to both be smooth in texture and light in color and in texture.
Do you want to add a pinch of salt?
No, it's 5 ingredients. Okay, so next we're going to add our third ingredient, 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm using creamy peanut butter, but you could also use crunchy peanut butter if that's all you have. Okay, now you're just going to whisk to combine. You're looking for a thick texture.
Do you want some baking soda?
No, these are only 5-ingredient cookies.
Fine, have your own flat cookies.
We actually don't need baking soda in these cookies. The egg acts as enough of a leavener itself. So now we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to sift this in to get rid of any clumps, because clumps in a dough like this is really frustrating. So then we're going to fold to combine.
Do you want this?
What is that?
It's my veggie stock. I brewed it last night.
No, these are 5-ingredient cookies. No 6th ingredient.
Your loss.
Okay, now that this dough is finished, we're going to do the same thing, but with 1 cup of Nutella instead of peanut butter. So for the Nutella portion of the dough, we're going to add in 1 egg with 1 cup of sugar. We're going to whisk those together. Then we're going to add 1 cup of Nutella. And then we're going to sift in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Try to get those clumps out of there again. What? No 6th ingredient! Now that we've folded in our flour, we're going to assemble our cookies. So you're going to take a tablespoon of each dough. This is going to be about as much as fits into a larger spoon. Then we're going to take our 2 doughs and we're going to roll them together. So your ball should be about the size of a ping pong ball. Now we're going to put this on a parchment-lined baking sheet. You really want to press down on these cookies because this is about how much they're going to spread. Once you have your cookies all prepped, you're going to put that into your preheated oven for 11 to 13 minutes.
Bolognese?
They're already in the... No 6th ingredient! Now that your cookies are done baking, allow them to cool at least 10 minutes before serving. That's how you make our peanut butter and Nutella 5-ingredient cookies.
And cut.
Good? Cool.
No 6th ingredient.